we are going to be unboxing the August 2018 Allure Beauty Box. Now, the Allure box is $15 a month, and you get a good range of products, and they are usually travel size, but you do get a few full-size items in here. And I do really like this box. You get a good mix of skincare and hair care and makeup. Now, the quality of the products are usually very, very good, and I can tell you that the next few months are going to be amazing. So if you are interested in this box, I will have a link down below where you can get your first box for $10, plus you get a free new member gift. I do not get anything out of it. It is just a referral link. I'm not sure if you can still get the August box. I think you can, but you want to make sure you get that September box, because I can give you a little spoiler, little hint. There is going to be a Drunk Elephant product in September's box. Keep that in mind. So let's get right into this box. When you do receive it, it comes wrapped up in plastic. I did go ahead and remove that. And it always has a little magazine on the top. It gives you some tips and tricks. It gives you all of the products that you have in your box, plus the full-size prices and some discount codes. So I will go over this with you as we go through the products. The first thing I'm picking up that I know everybody received is from BeautyWatch.com, and it is a $30 off coupon for your next order. And I believe that this is for like watches. If you are interested, go ahead and take that code down. I won't use this, so if you do want to use that, you can get $30. So the first things I'm going to grab are from Nexus, and these are the BeautyFix Damage Healing shampoo and conditioner. This doesn't really excite me much because it is for severely damaged hair, and I'm not gonna say I have perfect hair because I don't, but I don't have severely damaged hair. I usually have like an oily scalp sometimes. This I just feel like is going to weigh my hair down. The shampoo is designed to help rehab damaged hair with tried and true keratin protein, which strengthens strands so they're less likely to snap. It's gentle, it doesn't suds up too much. It says it has like a floral scent, but it's not too strong. You can get a 13.5 ounce bottle for $12.99. And if you go to nexus.com and use the code ALLUREBB, you can get 25% off your order. So if you are somebody that likes Nexus products and you want to order from their site directly, then use the code ALLUREBB so you can get that 25% off. Let's see what it at least smells like. The scent seems a little too perfumey for me. So the next product in here is from Larizzi Cosmetics, and it's the Light Sticks in Halo. It is just a highlighter stick. It says that there are about 1 billion highlighters to choose from, and at least 3 more have launched since you opened this box. You can find prismatic blue shades and ones with glitter chunks, so ginormous you could see them from the International Space Station. But sometimes you just want a classic champagne highlighter to perk up your skin. One you can put on in 10 seconds, no contouring or strobing required. It is like a cream stick formula. I'm pretty sure this is the full size, which is $24. If you go to larizzi.com and use the code ALLURE15, you'll get 15% off your order. So the good news about this is that it is cruelty-free. The bad news is that the first ingredient is mineral oil. This is definitely something I will probably not use. So it is a very pretty cream highlighter. It is like that golden champagne shade. It's not glittery at all. It just has that really nice subtle shimmer and glow to it. I like natural highlighters like that. I hate when they have glitter in it because I just feel like a disco ball. It really blends into the skin nicely. So it's really a shame it has mineral oil in it. The next product, I have about 5 travel sizes of these plus a full size. I get these all the time. This is the Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. This is the first liquid eyeliner I have ever used. I had gotten a sample from Birchbox when I first signed up, and I loved it. I had never used a liquid eyeliner before, and this had made it so easy for me. So I really do like this, and this is the full size, and it's $22. If you have problems with a cat eye, I would suggest first use a pencil liner and then go over it with your liquid eyeliner. And that is what the felt tip looks like. So the next product here is from Caudalie. It is the Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet, and this is actually a product I am using right now as my daytime moisturizer. I did receive this same deluxe size in either a Sephora Play or a Birchbox. I don't remember which one, but it is really, really nice and very lightweight. It actually has like a cooling effect, and it's really good in the summertime. It's not heavy, it is not greasy at all. Now what's cool about this is that it is just a regular typical moisturizer, and just keep in mind there is no safety seal on it. It just looks like a regular cream. As you massage it into your skin, it actually starts to thin out into, it almost feels like water. So it absorbs into your skin so quickly, so nicely. That's why I use this during the day. I use this in the morning because it absorbs right away, where I can continue my routine, continue with my makeup. Now this is only a 0.5 fluid ounce sample size, but the full size price of this is $39. And then the last but not least is actually the products that I was most excited about, and it is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I have heard such amazing things about this lip mask. Now I am waiting for my Sephora Play that's gonna have the actual sleeping face mask in it, so I cannot wait to use them both together. But it says that this overnight lip treatment smells good enough to eat, it's sweet like berries, and gives lips a shimmering pink tint that's a shame to waste on sleeping. The full size price of this is $20, and you could also get this at Sephora or Sephora.com. I like how it comes in like this little mini box. You kind of get a little gypped with this because, I mean, you would look at this and think that this really isn't a bad size for a lip product, but then when you turn it upside down, you could see that this is just mostly packaging. It is filled to the top. I smell a little bit of berries, but I don't smell too much. I cannot wait to use it. That is it for the Allure box. Quick recap, let's just see what we received again. We got the Nexus shampoo and conditioner. I guess this was like the highlight of the box, which really wasn't for me. The Larizzi highlighter, a full-size Ico London eyeliner, the Caudalie Moisturizing Sorbet, which I really do like a lot, and then the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. So it's not really the most exciting box, but I am not really upset, only because September, October, and November are going to be amazing. I would really suggest that if you do want to sign up, then do it as soon as you can and as soon as possible, because September is going to be an amazing box with Drunk Elephant in it. And then I know that October is supposedly mask month. And then we have November, which is going to have some Sunday Riley in it. I mean, it is really going to be good. So if you want, check out that link I'll have down below in the description box so that you can get your first box for $10. Otherwise, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I always appreciate the support. And if you haven't, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you received this Allure box and are you subscribed to it? What did you think of this month? But also, what do you think about the next few months with this box? I know I'm really excited. There's a lot happening with subscriptions. We have Boxy Luxe coming out. We have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus coming out, which I definitely want to jump on. Don't know when that is. In my next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.